Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely clean your Shark vacuum cleaner with just some simple tools. We're going to be using a brush to clean, or if you've got another vacuum cleaner to clean this vacuum cleaner, you can do that. We've got a fork, we've got a knife, and we've got a coin as well. So we're going to be cleaning everything. So first things first, we're going to be looking at the filters. Now, there's a filter at the back here, so we're going to be lifting up on this bit here to pull out. This bit comes out, and then we have a filter here. Lift up on the bottom of the filter and take it out here. This filter can be washed, but first of all, whack it out over the bin to get rid of most of the dust. Give it a good wash. Do not put it back in here until it's fully dry, so leave it 24 hours, or put a hairdryer on it, put it on the radiator, leave it out in the sun. When it's fully dry, it's just a reversal, so you can be putting the tabs up top to begin with, and it will just click into place, like so, and then this goes in with the tabs up top, and this will click into place like that. So that's that back filter cleaned. In here, we've got another two filters, so take the bin off, we'll clean that in a minute. We've got a filter here, and we have a smaller filter thinner just underneath here. These can both be washed. Again, whack them out over a bin, give them a good wash out with clean water, make sure they're fully dry before you put them back in. The small thin filter goes in first, followed by that filter. This will give you an opportunity to clean all in here. So if you've got, for example, another vacuum cleaner, you can clean all in here. When it comes to the bin, obviously you already know how to empty out the bin. There's a little button just here, empty out the contents of the bin. But also then you can take this part out here and wash this part. So squeeze in here and here, like that, and then this lifts out, and it will give you an opportunity to put this under the sink and give it a nice good clean. You can see that there's hair wrapped around this middle bit here, so don't forget to clean out these bits when you go to empty your bin. Every now and then take this out and give this a clean as well. When it's fully dry, put it back in and it just clicks. There we go. Now that's clicked in here and here. Now when it comes to the actual hose part of the vacuum cleaner, there's an electrical connection going right the way through. Obviously we are unplugged, so we're going to be taking this bit off here, and it will give you an opportunity to clean all around here, especially the connector and the connector here. And then we're going to work our way down, and we're going to press that in there to release this, and it will give us an opportunity to clean around in here because we have the connectors here, and also around here as well. Then when it comes to this part, we can press the button in here, and we can release this from here by pressing in here and here, and that will pull out, and it will give you a good opportunity to give all this a clean, and also around this area as well. Make sure there's no blockages or anything like that. That goes back in like so, and these things will click in like that. That's that one done. We can take off this bottom one here, and again clean around here, the electrical connection, clean around here and the electrical connection. And when it comes to this bottom part here, there's a few things we can clean on it. First of all, this little roller at the front, we can release it by just going forward on this red button, and it will pull this out here. It will give you an opportunity to wash this. Again, leave it for 24 hours, make sure it's fully dry before it goes back in again. We can also go along with some scissors or a fork, and you can see you can pull off bits of twine and hair and anything that's been trapped around there. Hopefully when that goes in, it will be nice and clean again. To put it back in, load it up there, put that little point down towards the inside of it. You can see that there's a little red thing in here, so we're just pushing it in, and it will click back into place. To remove this here, get yourself a coin and just go to unlock on all 3 points. Fingers in here, pull that out. 2 tabs here that lift out this way. Give you an opportunity to clean all around here and this little comb, and it will give you an opportunity to clean all in here and around here. You may need to get some scissors and cut the hair away from all these bits here, or you can move it around and you can get your fork again and you can just take all the long hair and whatever's wrapped around it out. To put this back in, this part here and this part here needs to go into these bits to begin with, like so. Make sure it goes in so that the tabs are now hidden. Push it down and lock it back into place. And another thing you might find is that these little wheels here become blocked. So if you find that there's a lot of resistance when you're vacuuming, you might find that these are blocked. So get yourself a little knife or a flat object and you can go under the wheels and pop them out like so, and here, and then we can pull them out along with the axle and give everything a nice good clean. I've already cleaned these, but they will be in 3 parts. You will have like a piece of leather with a bit of plastic on that might have separated, so they might be in 4 parts. Don't mistake that for a lot of dust. And then you can take away all the hair and stuff that's trapped in there, and then you pop the wheel back on. Do it so that the piece of plastic is on the outside. The piece of plastic is going to be on the outer edge, and then you just click it back into place like so, and make sure they spin freely. And in here, plastic on the outside again with the leather part there, and click it back in, and now you can see they move clearly. So that is how to fully clean your Shark vacuum cleaner. Hopefully after all that you'll find that it's operating nicely again. Thanks a lot for watching.